I think it finally happened.
Ooh.
Did it all back here too.
Ballin' since I was a jit. Way before Oakland and filming the skits, I had to go to get rich. Mama was struggling paying the rent, I couldn't help her with shit. Hey, then I'm feeling so stuck in this bitch.
What happened to the windshield?
Jesse.
I feel like Michael Jackson, moonwalking through the Calabasas. Louis bag got a whole direction, just in case the nigga wants some action.
Andrew's here. We're gonna pop the skid steer off and put on the new blade.
Well, there is no ball.
There isn't one. Oh yeah, that's right. Yep, that's work it. Yep.
Yeah, nice. Yeah.
Quit making those noises when you're right beside me. Don't breathe it in.
She's a little frozen, so we got a piece of 3-inch PVC from the Duramax. Sounds good.
Maybe it's fumes I'm breathing in.
Yeah, dude, you're gonna get so fucked. Dude. That's sick. Dude, that's big, eh?
You can do some damage with these now.
Kind of small little fill-in project before we start the next project, and then we're kind of getting into Christmas season now. Within the next couple weeks, we're working right to Christmas Eve. We'll probably take off around noon Christmas Eve. We're having a Christmas party for the guys at the local restaurant slash craft brewery Friday. We're shutting down the week of the 27th. Now you're caught up to speed on all that. Let's go to a septic.
What about the snow that happened?
Yeah, that's in this video. So they probably clicked on this video because of that, because you guys love snow plowing. I'm gonna make you guys watch to the end and put that. So the snow plowing event actually happened before all of this that you're seeing, but I want you guys to, I wanna suck you into the very end. Hang on tight, the snow plowing content is coming.
What I would do to take away this fear of being loved, allegiance to the pain. Now I fucked up and I'm missing you. I'll never be like you.
Well, we're all done here. We're gonna load her on the float and head to another septic. That's it? Yep. Wow. Skid steer's gonna finish topsoil and then we're gonna go dig another one.
Getting my box scraped.
$10 says I can hit that drone.
I'll never be like you. I'm only human, can't you see? I made a mistake. Please just look me in my face. Tell me everything's okay, 'cause I got it. Ooh, I'll never be like you. I'm only human, can't you see?
Nothing but time. Merry Christmas. You just want to use bear traps and then chains? Why do you change your mind so much? Because the deck's slippery. Salt! And you'll cry when it falls off. Salt! Chain gang!
Don't worry about me.
No, I'm not worried about you, but well, I am, because if something happens, it's too much fucking paperwork if you get hurt, Barry.
I ain't suing.
Got that on camera, so good.
There you go.
Oh, froze up.
Who does all your awesome drone photography? I do the drones, motherfuckers. Yeah. We got decals done on Dean, Kyle, and Brad's truck, and Brad got the black vinyl, black matte, like what's on mine, and Dad is not a fan of it. He thinks he should have got the color. Brand new four-wheeler, Dad clear cut and passed through the bush.
Yeah.
Yeah, like Dean was like, I would never drive my four-wheeler
Yeah,
like
but it's
that.
got skid plates and everything.
You should see him, man. He's reckless on a four-wheeler.
Oh yeah. Geyser.
This is what tour life is all about.
You see the manager over there looking?
No, it's scary. You're gonna be plowing tonight.
Yeah, I know.
Talking about snow.
Yeah.
You might as well hop over here. The storage, bring the backhoe with the plow. Okay, buddy, thanks. having it just, it warms up the transmission more. Obviously, I know that. Now, if all the hydraulics all of a sudden gave out and it dropped, it's kind of like an old thing to do, you know? I do it. It works really well. I don't know. I find it warms up stuff quicker, but maybe that's not true. People in the comments know best, you know? They tell me how to run my business better than I know how. That's always good. I like the comments where people are nice, but I like the comments where people rip on me too. And I see them and I like them because you know what? They're doing exactly what I wanted. If you don't have at least some people ripping on you, then you're not really doing something right. I know when a video is gonna do really well or when the channel's doing really well because I'll get more hate. Don't get a speeding ticket in the back, eh? Okay.
She's nothing like a girl you've ever seen before. Nothing you can compare to your neighborhood.
The guys next door just texted me and said, hey, I think Ken Block stole your Tahoe.
I'm trying to find the words to describe this girl without being disrespectful. The way that booty moving, I can't take no more.
We are installing here Waterloo system. And yeah, nice big system.
So I'm going to open it up to sub base and do some holes. If I have a foot of before bedrock, I don't have to place ceiling.
Yeah.
That's the scenario right there.
She blew. I think the motor. Oh yeah.
She's blowing right out of the fucking fill.
So something's going on.
If you look at over there on the other side, it's fucking pissing off to the center. It looks like rear main seal as well.
Yeah, but it's blowing out of this.
I know, but on the other side though, it's fucking soaked on the other side of the wall.
Yeah, it's on the other side.
She's pooch, bud.
Nice. It's
There you
called.
go, Mark.
You think? Yeah, it's not you, Marcus. Mark. Transmission. Oh.
That's just unlucky.
Yeah, that's just unlucky, Mark. Don't worry. Dang. Do I have to get it towed?
Well, can you call Rob and ask him what that means exactly? I don't know what it means.
Yeah. Okay.
Put it all back here, too. We just dump it.
Oh. So that sucks. His truck is the truck that is out right now, which we might have to put a whole new transmission in. He's not having the best luck with trucks right now. That truck was gonna happen regardless. I'm not worried about the 08. That truck was near the end of its life. But his truck that he normally drives, the one that we bought new last year, not the fancy 4900, but the 4700, it's at the Western Star dealer right now. The PTO is making a weird noise, then the box wouldn't go up, and then now they're saying it's a problem. The whole PTO has to be changed out. I'm hoping that it'll be warranty, considering we bought it a year ago.
In the arms of the angel, fly away from here, from this.
I'll be sad, I'll be trying to get a grip. I'll be getting mad at shit that don't make sense. Tell me you're feeling you do my mind right now. Everything that go through it. Taking my feet on the section of
It's about 5:27 in the morning right now. I was there at 3:45 a.m. After this, we're gonna go swing by and see Brady at the yard. Thanks, man. Have a good one. I like I've never saw that before. If you look close enough, you'll see he has the shovel in the thing. That's funny. See, it's getting crusty now. It's getting mild. Snow's getting pretty heavy. We have one truck with a blown transmission being looked at. Western Star, Antrim, if you're hearing this, please do not make me pay for that. I bought the truck a year ago. We will catch you guys next week, Friday. Hopefully I have another one out. I'm gonna keep pumping them out for you guys. Yeah, we bought another dump truck because dump trucks are awesome, as you can clearly see. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Take care. But of course, I didn't forget about you guys, the true patriots of the channel that watch the entire video, celebrate anniversaries right now. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you guys to comment down below, Frankenstar. Why Frankenstar? Well, on next week's video, you will see the 08 just... Anyways, we'd call it Frankenstar now. So if you guys watch the entire video to the very end, comment down below Frankenstar. We'll see you next week. Catch you on the next one. Take care.